In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily access the assignment that you are looking for. So, firstly, what you need to do is navigate your way to the team in which your assignment is. So for today, we're going to use the example of the Year 6 whole year group team. So you click on that, then along the top, you'll see some different options: posts, files, notebook, assignments, grades. If you click on assignments, that'll bring up all of the assignments you currently have. So this will be all of the current ones and all of your past ones. Now that can mean sometimes it's quite difficult to find the task that you're looking for, especially as the weeks go on and more tasks get added. But an easy way of having a look to find the one you want is by using tags. So if you click here where it says all categories, you can select the tag of the subject you're looking for. So for example, if we look at mine, you click history, you'll have all of your history tasks that have been set in the future. And that will mean you can easily identify which one it is that you're looking for by the dates. Then if you want to change, you just click the tag, change to say art, and then you just get the art ones. So that's going to be an easy way of showing just the subject you need rather than having to scroll through a big list of all the different assignments there are available. Hopefully that helps. Thank you for watching.